Phones break. Between drops, spills, and everyday wear and tear, many people struggle with slow, cracked, or malfunctioning phones, leaving them frustrated and disconnected. That's where we come in. Our shop offers fast, reliable phone repairs tailored to your needs. We fix everything from cracked screens to battery replacements, so you don't have to stress. With quick turnaround times, high-quality parts, and trustworthy technicians, we make it easy to get your phone working like new again. If you're looking for a local, dependable, and affordable phone repair service, contact us now. Your phone, our expertise. 100% satisfaction guaranteed.